Everyone all right?
Yeah, I think so.
Storm wall passed, but we just lost our way up.
There's another service tower up ahead. Follow me.
So, is it just me, or does it feel like this entire planet's trying to kill us?
Definitely not just you.
Last I heard, the COG was blaming the bad weather on holes in the planetary crust.
Before that, it was sunspots. Then atmospheric distortion. Who the hell knows?
Well, look at that. One of Jin's birds went down.
Maybe they're salvage.
Ah, good. Ammo.
We got more swarm! Suppression!
Okay, we're clear. Let's get inside that tower.
Main gate's at the top.
This will come in handy. Little help here?
So, Marcus, it seems like you've been here before.
A long time ago. Official COG business, you could say.
That doesn't sound like fun.
It wasn't.
Okay, this might be a problem.
Damn it. This whole place is infested.
Then we clear it out! Got it! Got a drone!
More of them incoming!
Look out! Sniper!
Fire in the hole!
Crash one drone!
Shit, I'm hurt! I'm good, thanks!
Watch it! Sniper! Side.
Main gate sealed.
I got
we
it.
can open it in that security station.
Wow. I bet no one's even been in here since the war.
Not even to recover the bodies?
After the war, we weren't thinking about the dead. We were dealing with the living. Come on, this way. Whatever it is, put it back in its hole!
Gotta wait till it's open! Big guy's down!
Big? That thing was like a walking aircraft carrier.
Yeah, let's go.
So that's where we're going, huh?
Hope it has an elevator.
Hey, Marcus. You coming? When you were here with the COG, what happened?
This dam powered the last of the COG's factories. We got here right before it fell. Exfiltration mission. A few dozen gears were trapped inside.
So, how'd you get him out?
I didn't.